My name is Ofentse Shavela. I'm a visual artist based in Johannesburg. I'm currently having my solo exhibition here at Eclectica Contemporary. The exhibition consists of smoke drawings that I've developed along the time, and my technique, like I said, is very uncommon as to like most drawings that you may find in galleries, as I use a candle to make these. And most of my subject matter comprises of, politically charged narratives that I find interest in. And reason for that is that I've always been somebody that follows politics from a young age, thanks to my uncles, because they were, constantly watching news, always wanting to know what's happening. And then I think that's where I picked up that interest of, following politics until I found myself, being the one that's going to buy newspapers, being the one that's watching the news. So the works that I'm showing right here are, different kinds of narratives, of concepts and subjects that I feel important, that I felt like I needed to express. And the background of my work mainly is I like using like this piece right here. I like using war imagery in order to make metaphors of the kind of war that we are fighting right now. I feel like I feel like even though when somebody talks of war, talks of fights, talks of history, World War II, World War One, we're still existing in the same kind of dynamics. It's just different in a sense that the war that we're fighting doesn't involve guns, it doesn't involve bombs, maybe in some places in the world, but I feel like we more of fighting a spiritual warfare, which is why I use these kind of images. And then with this particular piece, the inspiration behind it was that I wanted to kind of like prove or test that there's a specific kind of imagery that has always been associated with dictators and dictatorships. And like even the response that I got from this work, there's people that associate this with people like Idi Amin, people like Churchill, who's that Russian Soviet Union leader?
Lenin?
Stalin, even Stalin. So that's like a phenomenon that I wanted to prove, to say there's a certain way that we've kind of depicted tyrant leaders, and I feel like this is the old type of tyrant. It's the old type of dictator that we associate with that, and I feel like dictatorship has actually evolved in a way that it has been palatable. I feel like dictatorship is something that cannot only be associated to one leader. It has to be associated to like the whole body of governance, because I feel like democracy in itself is actually a sugar-coated oppression, because we are promised so many things under this system of living, whereby everyone feel liberated and everybody feels like they can be successful in a certain way thanks to capitalism, but that's not actually how it is.